Hey everyone, it's Tom Kradza with another Rockstar Minute. And listen, about a week and a half ago, our jaws dropped because we started seeing multiple offers in some segments of the Greater Toronto and Hamilton market. So listen to this. In 3 different areas, we've seen multiple offers in the price point from about $380,000 to $480,000. So these are homes in these areas. And if you're listening to this and you're from Toronto, you won't believe these are homes, but these are homes in these 3 communities. So in Hamilton, Brantford, Ontario, and St. Catharines, Ontario, we are starting to see not only multiple offers in about that price range, but we are also seeing people bid up $10,000 to $30,000 over the list price. So from the peak in 2017 till about, a few months ago, it was really slowing down. And this past fall was really actually good. We could buy properties 5% under market value, even 10% under market value. But now in those communities, we're seeing multiple offers and offers being accepted over list price. Now in the Toronto condo market, we're seeing something different. We're not seeing multiple offers in all the different activity that we're doing. We're seeing multiple offers sometimes, but often we're the only offer on the property. So the Toronto condo market prices are kind of just trickling up slowly, but we are not seeing like multiple offers on every Toronto condo right now. And then in a third segment of the real estate market, let's call this segment like $2 million properties, so like the higher end segment, it's really stagnant right now. So what we're seeing is really weird. Prices aren't really dropping, but activity is stagnant. So we've seen things like where people will list a house for like high in the 2 million, so like 2.8, 2.9 million. It doesn't sell. They will take it off the market. And when they bring it back on, they're not bringing it back on a lower price. They're actually listing it at a higher price. We've seen that kind of activity. We have seen some houses sell at that price point less than what they were expecting to get. So it's really weird. There's no panic in that segment of the market, but it's really a stagnant real estate market right now. So Toronto is a tale of multiple different markets operating in different capacities right now. And the biggest long-term trend that we all need to be aware of, and we're working on a report with this information that's going to come out really shortly, is that there is 3 million people forecasted to come into the Greater Toronto Hamilton area over the next 20 years. So from 2016 to 2041, we are supposed to go from about 6.7 million people in population to about 9.7. This is the long-term trend that we all need to keep aware of when we're dealing with real estate. So as always, we're short-term paranoid, but long-term optimistic. Hopefully that makes some sense and gives you something to think about. Until next time, your life, your terms.